Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor and today we are going to be doing a unboxing, something a little bit different today. We are actually going to be unboxing the first ever Waxers subscription box for estheticians. So I'm just gonna give you a little background about this. Since I record on my phone, I wrote down some notes right here that I wanted to talk about before I unbox it, so you can have a little background about the business, because this is a new small business. So this Waxer subscription box is owned by a lady named Heather Nicole. She actually goes by the Mermaid SD on Instagram. I will put her business Instagram and the Waxer Instagram down below, and the link to get to everything I talk about in this video. And I'm very sorry if I'm talking with my hands and everything like that, but I'm just super excited for this. But yeah, she came up with this concept, so it's fairly new. She started the first subscription box back in March, and I heard about it after the launch happened, so I was really eager to get my hands on one. So I finally got my hands on it. I applied for it. I got a subscription on it for the June box. But so this box is a quarterly subscription, so it's gonna come every new quarter. So March, June, September, and December. So it's gonna come every 3 months basically. And you can either do a one-time purchase of this box, or you can do a subscription box, which is what I have. So I'm gonna get it quarterly. I really want to see what she comes out with the next two boxes, since this is her second time doing this box. So I'm super excited to see what grows from this for her, just out of curiosity. So I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about what each box comes with, and I wrote that down. So it comes with a glitter wax creations blend, a theme silicone, so a silicone wax mold that you can use. You can discover new retail products, esthetician tools, industry education, a fun brand, and a Boss Babe swag. So that's pretty much all that comes in the box. So I'm going to open it right now and show you. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. So I forgot to mention the prices for it. So for the one-time purchase, it's $75 plus shipping, and then the subscription box is $65 plus shipping. So you know about that. This is what the box looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh my god, it kind of smells good. So this is what the box looks like. Something fell out, but so we got a little magnet that says, "She who uses glitter wax is never forgotten." That's what it looks like. I'm probably gonna put that on my my wax pot. And then I opened it earlier, so it's kind of not a surprise to me, but more like a surprise to you. But yeah, so it came with a little scratch off from That Party Girl. So they do scratch off cards for businesses, and I'm gonna look into that, because that's pretty interesting. And then this basically tells you, this right here basically has all the brands that are in the box. And it has so this box has the Spot Order Derm Wax, glitter creation, glitter wax creation, I like organic skincare. I've never heard of some of these brands before. And then Coco Lovey, and then a spray tan class, and then ASCP insurance, and then That Party Girl. That's all that's in. And then she gives us there's coupon codes in here to use. So I don't want to show that, because I might want to use it myself, even though she's probably already given it out. But yeah. So we're gonna get onto it. So we got this little, I believe this is the pen. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, it's a pen. It's a little mermaid pen. This is super cute. And then we got a glitter wax creation little sample. This is super cute. I've never tried this before, so I'm super excited. So once I order some more wax, I'm probably gonna try this out pretty soon. And then we got a mermaid tail wax mold. There's not really pretty much something I can actually try. This is really much for like I can use with my clients. And then we got a Cocoa Love, was it Cocoa Love massage candle. So I don't do too many massages here in my suite because I mostly wax. I'm trying to get back into doing more facials. So, but I wouldn't put this on anybody's like face or anything, maybe like their back or something. I'm trying to do like a body polish or a back facial maybe, I don't know. But this is really interesting. I've never seen anything like this. So in this little pouch, it comes with, so this is super cute. It comes with like little matches. That's so cute. And then this is the, it smells like something I've smelled before, but I don't know. And this is called Beach Pleat. And then it came with a little spoon, so I guess this is for you to like get the wax. I'm not too sure. Yeah, you're supposed to scoop it. And then it comes with like instructions on how to take care of your candle. And it came with a mask brush, just a silicone mask brush. And then we got the Collamer. Then we have the Collamer rose jelly mask with rose extract. I've never used one of these before, like this brand. They have SD Mac jelly mask. I don't even use those, but I know I need to. And then we got the I like organics. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Please correct me on how to say it how to say it right. So I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm super curious as into like, I know it's skincare, but like what's what, like, you know what I mean? So this is the Circulation Revitalizing Body Lotion. And then we have the Mineral Exfoliating Wash. Wish it would tell us what's in it, because now I gotta figure it out. And then we have a little sample of the Soothing Herbs. This, and then we have a little tester of the Soothing Herbs Serum. And then they gave us a card to contact the account management people, customer service. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to look into that because I really wish it would say like what's in it, because this right here, this lotion is kind of interesting to me. It looks like milk, not milk, like vanilla ice cream. I guess you could say milk, but yeah. And then we have the most exciting part about this box that I'm really excited for, that I've been wanting to try for a while. I've been wanting to try this wax out for a while. The Derm Wax Elite. I'm so excited for this. So just know you'll be getting a review on this wax pretty soon. Yeah, super excited for this wax. I've heard a lot of good things about Spot Order's Derm Wax. So yeah, that is pretty much it for that box. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just showed you everything that is in the June a Waxers BFF box. This is pretty cool, pretty exciting. I've never thought of like a Waxers subscription box. Like, I think that's pretty cool to have Waxers try out new products that they've never heard of or been wanting to try but just haven't had a chance to get to it. So I really think this is a really cool concept, and I really am interested to see how this brand like grows. But yeah, I loved it. It was amazing. you will be getting a wax review pretty soon because of the derm wax that's in this box. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. My social media will be down below. My social media will be down below. My Instagram is Radiant Lux Aesthetics. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.